Hello, student. Today we are going to learn about the common symbol, their name and use. This video will also be helpful for the next topic, that is punctuation. So keep watching carefully. Let's start. First symbol is period or full stop. It uses at the end of sentence. For example, I like painting. He sleeps early. Next is comma, that used to separate items in the list. For example, I am an intelligent, active, and cooperative girl. Next is semicolon. It connects the related clauses. For example, she loves pizza. He prefers pasta. Please read the book. You will enjoy it. Next is colon. It introduces a list or quote. For example, he bought 3 things: a pen, a notebook, and a mat. Next is question mark. That ends the question. For example, how are you? Is she coming today? For question, we use the question mark at the end. Next is exclamatory mark, that shows the excitement or command. For example, watch out. It is a command. That's amazing. This sentence shows the excitement. Next is apostrophe, that shows the possession or contraction. For example, it's raining. It shows the contraction. Ali's hat is green. This sentence shows the possession. That hat belonged to Ali. Next is quotation mark. It encloses the direct speech. For example, she said, I'll be late. Hello, he whispered. Next is forward slash or slash. It separates the option like and or. For example, Monday, Tuesday are fine. Please press the on-off button. Next is that is quite similar with the previous one, is called backslash. It commonly used in the file path, mostly in computer work. For example, file path, C drive, user, Ali, documents. It shows a part of a file. Next is percentage sign. It expresses a percentage. For example, 50% of today. Only 10% work is complete. Next is dollar sign, that shows the money. How many rupees equals to $50? Next symbol is parenthesis. We also call it round bracket. We use this sign when we are going to add extra information in any sentence. For example, he arrived late. Again. So again we have write in the bracket, it is extra information that is not the part of our sentence. Next example is use caution, wet floor. Next is square bracket. It is used in editorial and explanation. For example, the president was not inquired. He is also used in math equation. Next is braces or curly bracket. It is rarely used in English writing, but commonly used in maths, especially in sets, and also used in coding in computer language. Next is equal sign, that is used in comparison or equation. For example, 2 plus 2 equals to 4. She said their skills equals to success. When you see all these 4 symbols, they looked quite similar but having different functions. Like hyphen, it used to join words. This is well-known author. She wore blue-green dress. Next is and dash, that shows us the range. The years 2010 to 2020 were significant. Next is M dash, that breaks or adds emphasis. For example, he was late again. I need three things: bread, milk, and eggs. Next is underscore, that often used in file names. Next is at symbols. It is mainly used in email address, and sometimes we also use it in our daily conversation like meet me at 5 p.m. Next is hash, number, and pound sign. It is mainly used in social media tags and numbering. For example, hash English tip. It is a hashtag. Let's have example of numbering. Room number 13, ticket number 45678. 5 hash bag of flour equals to 5 pounds bag of flour. Next is ampersand. It is also called and symbol. For example, salt and pepper. I and he are siblings. Next is asterisk. It used at footnotes and emphasize. For example, terms apply. See footnote. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing our videos, press the bell icon, and stay tuned.